Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect N8n to Ollama. This integration allows you to leverage Ollama's AI models directly within your N8n workflows, making it incredibly powerful for automation tasks that require natural language processing or AI-driven decisions. First, navigate to N8n.io in your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to enter your login credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed straight to your N8n dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your workflows and automations. Look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your new workflow. After clicking Create Workflow, you'll be taken to the N8n Workflow Editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice that N8n presents you with two different options for creating your workflow. The first option is to add your first step manually, which gives you complete control over each element. The second option is to build with AI, which can help streamline the process. It's worth noting that the AI builder is enabled by default, but for our purposes today, we'll be working manually to ensure we have full control over the Ollama connection. Now comes the crucial part where we actually connect Ollama to your N8n workflow from your editor page. Right-click anywhere on the canvas. This will bring up a context menu where you should select Add a Node. Once you do this, a right side panel will appear with various options. Locate the search bar at the top of this panel and type in Ollama. From the search results that appear, you'll want to choose Ollama Chat Model. Click on it to add this node to your workflow. A configuration window will now appear on your screen. This is where you'll establish the actual connection between N8n Ollama. Look for the drop-down menu under the field labeled Credential to connect with. Click on this drop-down and from the options presented, choose Create New Credential with the plus sign. Next, click on the Open Docs link that appears. This documentation will show you the base URL or local host that Ollama uses. You'll need to copy this URL along with its port number. Typically, this will look something like localhost:11434. Once you've copied it, return to the configuration window and paste it into the base URL field. Finally, click Save to store this credential, and that's it. You've successfully connected Ollama to N8n, and you can now start building workflows that utilize Ollama's AI capabilities for your automation needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.